Welcome to this tutorial on Fifth Third Bank Online Banking. Fifth Third Bank is a leading financial institution that offers a wide range of banking services, including online banking. Online banking allows you to manage your accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds from the comfort of your own home. To get started with Fifth Third Bank Online Banking, you need to enroll in the service. You can do this by visiting the Fifth Third Bank website and clicking on the Enroll button. You will be required to provide some personal and account information to verify your identity and link your accounts. Once you have enrolled, you can log into your account using your username and password. The online banking platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can view your account balances, transaction history, and statements. You can also pay bills, transfer funds, and set up account alerts. One of the key features of Fifth Third Bank Online Banking is Bill Pay. This service allows you to pay your bills electronically, eliminating the need for paper checks and stamps. You can set up recurring payments, such as your mortgage or car loan, and also make one-time payments. Another important feature is fund transfer. You can transfer funds between your Fifth Third Bank accounts, as well as to accounts at other banks. This service is convenient and saves you time, as you can manage your accounts from one place. To ensure the security of your online banking account, Fifth Third Bank uses advanced security measures, including encryption and firewalls. You should also take steps to protect your account, such as using a strong password and keeping your computer and browser up to date. In addition to the online banking platform, Fifth Third Bank also offers mobile banking. This service allows you to access your accounts and conduct banking transactions using your mobile device. You can download the Fifth Third Bank mobile app from the App Store and log in using your online banking credentials. In conclusion, Fifth Third Bank Online Banking is a convenient and secure way to manage your accounts and conduct banking transactions. With its user-friendly platform and advanced security measures, you can trust that your accounts are safe and accessible. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can enroll in online banking, log into your account, and start managing your finances today.